Number 28,
Last quarter.
Mr. Bolfa.
Salcedo versus
The
Burungan.
beaten run.
Last quarter.
Number 3, Sony. With a foul. For the Victor, Burungan. The ball goes back and big final si Quintailos. To number 3, 3-point. Na-rebound number 3. Nag-penetrate. Kuray layap. Na-rebound number 22. Na-block. To number 9. Nasa Jermaine. To Laloy. To points. 9. To Bigan. Pasangan to. Number 71. 28 of Salcedo. Salcedo 50s. Oy, nag 3 points. Na-rebound na number 45. Number 71. Number 90. Yung balik ang bola. Number 45. Warren na kasi. Rebound number 22 to number 28. Number 28 shakes. Using the board. Yep. That's Dima. Number 51. Madami na tamang transition. To number 90. Turn around. Number 71. Nag-attempt. Nag-ihap. Rebound number 20. Pasa. Nakuha ni Sony. Pasangan to number 32. Waray nag-ihap. Na-rebound na number 45. Gindoso. Dahan-dahan lang po. Do personal foul. Katulong at team foul. Number 29. To number 90. To number 71. And the long pass. Opo. To number 28. He fakes. And pass to number 3. And the Euro step. From number 3, 2 points. Tutulong na natin na bow. Number 1 pa ni Laloy. Bina lang ng Rimagoso. Ipasa number 0. Nandun 22. 2 points again. Sana lang ang bow. Number 20. The fourth quarter man of Salcedo. Taps again. Good rebound. A follow-up shot. Not good again. Then pass to number 70. Marcos loses the ball. Una now. To number 35. To number 19. Kalanot na. 14 shot clock. Basket! Number 90. Tulong na naman yan nabaw. 8 minutes. Last 8 minutes. For the final quarter. Number 28 to number 0. 3 points! Pareho na lang ang score. Basket again. Lamang na naman Burungan, 2 points.
Banat Burungan, 2 points.
The fourth quarter man, Mr. Bolfa. Dribbling the ball. Says for the open man to his right. Sonny Boy, Euro step again. Rebound by number 19. Gulalot. Slow motion. By the foul. 8. Decides for the play. And back to number 28. Attempts, follow-up shot to number 3. Rebounded by Burungan. The pass to number 19. Gulalot man. Back to number 35. To number 19, to number 35. Long pass. The Nakuha ni Sonny Boy. Nagdadagmit. Using the board. 2 points. Deadlock again. 64 all. To number 35. 35 of Morongan. To number 90. Back to number 35. And the number 28, all alone, using the board, 2 points, lamang na Chap 7, and 2 points. Pass to number 90. Intersection again, almost. Na-retrieve to number 19. May na foul. Shout out to Alex. Why, lagit ka doon. Nakuha number 28.
TV.
Number 28.
TV.
May na foul. Basket. One point sa zero.
Idi. Pass.
So, Kuya Ed TV.
TV.
Number 12. Number 45. Basket! Lamang na ulit Morongan! Bola. Number 32. Last 4 minutes in the time. To number 90. May na foul. Basket. Bola number 45. May follow shot.
TV. Shoot.
Abot!
Lumabot.
Basket from under. Upat na naman ang lamang at Morongan. Last 3 minutes and 20 seconds. 3 minutos, 20 segundos. Nag 3 points. Basket!
Basket.
3 points. Good head.
TV. 3 points.
Sa kanan lamang ang Morongan.
3 points. TV.
Last 3 minutes. May na foul. Sonny Boy. Nabawa mo naman sa Salcedo. 20 seconds. May pa. Basket! Deadlock na naman, 71 all. Parehas yung tatong score. Last 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Last 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Number 0. To number 0 again. To number 32. 14 to make a shot. So pangpalang bola. The long pass to number 19. Oops. Intentional. Basket. Laban. Tapos.
Kamot, kamot!
Number 15. Long pass to number 0. Dili, wala yung paglapti. 0 to number 6.
Yeah, TV.
50. The number 35. 50 to make a shot. From under. Using the board. 2 points. Last 1 minute. Last 1 minute. Ato lang. Hindi na na bro. Basket 2 points. Tuloy na lang ang kabaw. Seconds to play. Last 50 seconds. Last 50 seconds. 50 to shoot. 45 seconds. 10 to shoot. To number 9. Losing the board. Wala na ginapon. At tulang kuha. Ginatag number 26. Sa ball. Wala na ginapapulungan. Last 20 seconds. 20. Follow-up shot. Basket. Last 15 seconds. By the foul. Basket. Foul. Alright, bola. 10 seconds. 5. 2 seconds more. 2 seconds. Seconds. Thank you.